Over the same period of time, I suggested that the right hemispheric affective processes, the right being the emotional brain, operating at levels beneath conscious awareness, are dominant in early development. This is my attachment work, and incidentally, more and more of my early developmental work is now moving into prenatal development, but also in psychopathogenesis and also in psychotherapy. Here you see the Italian neurologist, psychoanalyst Gainati. Unconscious processing of emotional information is mainly subsumed by a right hemisphere subcortical root. So we're talking here about the deep into the right brain, the right amygdala, etc. And also the idea that unconscious emotional memories are stored in the right hemisphere.